Konnichiwa and welcome to Witty Sensei where we know why you're here. So in the next 10 minutes, we're going to be telling you a random fact which will make you go something like that. Did you know that we humans are the only creature who blushes and feel embarrassed too? Charles Darwin called blushing the most peculiar and most human of all expressions, while Mark Twain said man is the only animal that blushes or needs to.
What do you think cheese could do? No, apart from gaining you a few pounds. How about predicting future?
Tyromancy is a practice that predicts the future with cheese. Different aspects such as the depth of cheese, the type of mold, and the scent can help predict different things. Other common practices involve melting two types of cheese together and asking a question about the future whilst doing so. Trust us, we looked it up.
How many questions do you think kids ask per day? It's 20, 30, 50, 100? It's 300 questions per day. A 2013 UK study from online retailer littleboots.com recorded the questions that kids asked the adults around them. The children would seek answers from their mothers and these moms answered an average of 300 questions per day.
300 questions per day?
Yes,
That's roughly...
it's one question per 2.5 minutes.
And what were the questions?
Why is water wet and what are shadows made of?
Do you know what is this? This? It's a giant fish with a transparent head. You must think what kind of an alien sorcery is this? Well, no. A giant fish with a transparent head actually exists. Don't believe? Let me show you. The deepest levels of our oceans are some of the least explored areas of the planet. Because of the extreme pressure, cold, and dark at these depths, only the very strangest of creatures can survive there. Perhaps the strangest though is the barrel eye, a large fish with a completely transparent head, such that you can see the interiors of its head.
Kitty kitty! Meow! Meow! Well, I can explain. The fact is, some cats are allergic to people too, and I guess I'm one of them. Kitty kitty! If you fear or hate cats, there's a piece of good news for you. Some cats are literally allergic to people, like vice versa. They tend to repel few humans and do not like their presence anywhere around them, unlike dogs who are super inviting and amicable. Any guesses? What is the national animal of Scotland? I'll give you a hint. It's unique and it's rare. No, really, it's none other than a unicorn. Scottish people are popularly known for their adoration of myths and legends, ghosts, witches, magic, and water monsters, etc. etc. This undoubtedly clarifies why this fact is one of our favorite.
The fear of number 13 is called as triskaidekaphobia. You must have heard of Friday the 13th being an unlucky or an eerie day. It is considered so in the Western superstitions. Well, turns out that the fear of number 13 is called as triskaidekaphobia, while the fear of Friday the 13th is called as paraskevidekatiaphobia or frigatriskaidekaphobia. I challenge you to say this in a stretch. Go on.
The cells in our body react to everything that our mind says, and I'm thinking to chill for a bit. Yoga, music, meditation, or any form of art or relaxation is on rising nowadays. Mental health has become a serious concern in today's time, and people have started opting out for mediums of relaxation and peace. It is therefore a fact that what you think is what reflects your daily being and lifts one's mood and mind into another spiritual and positive zone just by the way you think. Voila! Statue of Liberty in United States of America was a lighthouse for more than 16 years, and you know what? It is made up of copper. This symbol of American freedom, gifted by France in the year 1886, Statue of Liberty was used as a lighthouse for 16 years since then. Do you know the entire monument is made up of copper? But due to natural oxidation process, the wonder gets its patina green coating.
Oh, do you know that Niagara Falls isn't the largest waterfall in the world? Shocking, right? So the largest waterfall exists under the water. Yeah.
At the Denmark Strait, the cold water from the Nordic Sea is denser than the Irminger Sea's warm water, making it drop almost 2 miles down at 123 million cubic feet per second.
So that's it for today's video. To know more about best facts, tech, travel, business and food, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Witty Sensei and press the bell icon to never miss our video. Because we have the information you want with a hint of a wit. And we shall see you in the next video again. Till then, sayonara.